Okie dokie. These are the last two. So, since wave 2 is tonight, we're going to open up the last two of wave 1 right now. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. Which one do you want to start with? Left or right?
My wave 2. One of my wave 2 cubes is 1.
No. These are all wave 1.
Oh.
Which one? Wave. Yeah, so these are the last two from wave 1. So, which one do you want to open? Left or right?
1.
Okay.
What are we gonna get?
Oh, I didn't hold it long enough, I don't think. Why isn't it opening? Oh, there we go. We have it on comedy line, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're building up our evil-lyns as we go.
Right, we do have an uncommon. I'm just so blown away that we didn't get a single common tri-klops. I mean, unless it's in here.
Oh, I can also not believe that we did not get an uncommon Gringer.
Right. Yeah, right, the battle cat, exactly. Last one! Holy shit! Nick! The last one is the one that we've been talking about. Can you believe it? Oh my god. We've been saying we're not gonna get it, we're not gonna get it. And the very last one was it. Wow. Alright, well that means we have officially finished the commons as we wanted, right? There's 1. There's 2.
There's 3.
There's 3. And there's 4. Alright, cool. Alright, we have one whole set of 1 rarity. That's what we had hoped for. We did it. On the last cube, the last chance it happened. That's awesome, huh?
Yes.
Very cool. Alright, I guess we'll see what happens in wave 2.